Hello everyone, welcome to the demo day. Today I'm going to present the product called Contra.Mate, which I have built throughout this bootcamp. Contra.Mate is an AI-powered contract management assistant. So what actual problem is solving is throughout this application, user can ask general questions related to the contracts, user can compare certain contracts, user can compare certain clauses and ask certain money values mentioned in the contracts, and also use the conversation are saved so user can come back later on and pick it up. So what's main problem it's solving is solving the manual contract review challenges. So they are time intensive, there's human mistake involved, and also the information are scattered through the document. So it's very, very difficult to figure out and find all the information during the audit of certain contracts. So this solution provides a search capabilities throughout many contracts. User can select certain contracts and do certain search, asking different kind of questions. The product is available into my GitHub repository. You can do a PR, you can extend this product, and you can also use it in your internal use cases. So this is the expected architecture I thought about, where user can ask a query and then it will go to either a metadata agent or a talk to contract agent. And then if the question is related to metadata, then it will reach out to the Postgres database where the metadata are stored. If it's related to directly asking question to the contracts, then it will pull from the documents. Currently, I don't have the SQL metadata capability. I have only covered the vector search part, and also vector search having multiple tools and querying the databases, vector database differently to pull accurate answers. Let's have a look at the demo. So I would create a new conversation and I will add certain documents. So first let's add a document, Healthgate document, and I will then update my conversation filter. Then I'm going to ask who is the buyer and vendor in the contract. So I got the answer with certain citations. So I can now go back to the document and see if it's correct or not. I can ask what are the payment terms mentioned in this contract. Then I can ask what happens if the payment is late. I got the answer with certain citations. So I can now go back to the document and have a look. Now let's add another document. And update the conversation filter. Now let's compare these two contracts based on the payment term. Because it's pulling all the documents, all the chunks of the documents, and then trying to figure out where is the payment term. So it takes longer time than the other ones. So it provides me a very concise comparison. Let's say I'm not happy with that. I want a more summarized comparison. So I asked for the summary. Now it's faster because it's used the previous history actually to answer the question. Now let's add another document to it, any random document, and update the filter. Now let's compare all these three documents. So now it's pulling up all the three documents and then trying to figure out the parts where the contract terms are, and then it make the comparison and then providing the information. So you can see that there is 3 citations, and the 3 citations from 3 documents. So it's kind of giving me the notion that it's almost correct. Maybe now I can go back to the document and have a look. So that's all about the demo. So also this application has a data processing pipeline where I process each document, I extract and convert the PDF into Markdown, then I chunk them, I put them into vector store and then prepare it for the query. Now, also this code is developed and available, so it can be put into any automation like Airflow or Lambda functions to make end-to-end application. I'm using Python and the Fast API to build the application. The main challenge I tried a framework, Pydantic AI, but then I encountered with a bug, so I then rewrite everything into vanilla OpenAI SDK. So for my personal try it out. This is the metrics on the results. So if I would review certain documents, could take 2 to 4 hours. Now it's only 10 to 5 minutes because I don't need all the information. I need certain information. I can compare certain documents in seconds, and also I reduce the human errors involving that. I'm having citations. So reviewing the contracts, you need certain analysts and experts. Now it can be done through the application. So you reduce a lot of headcounts, and also it pursues the history, so you can come back and re-evaluate your answers. There are certain quality benefits, organizational benefits, and also time savings. So I have planned to extend this. So in future, I will do more advanced agent added into this product. I will add multilingual and also the document generation, which is based on a contract. I will generate another contract, which then the contract management team can use to deliver. Thanks. This is all about this presentation. You can get the open source application code from the Git repository, and also we can connect through LinkedIn, and also the documentation of this product is available into the same Git repository. Thank you all. Bye-bye.